Are you ready? Are you ready?
You're beautiful, shine like a star. You got me falling slowly, and I'm crashing into you. Oh baby, wherever you go, I pray the angels remind you.
Mabuhay Pilipinas! What's up sa inyo dyan? Welcome back sa isa pang Maganda vlog starring yours truly, Pabibo. And then syempre, ang camera woman natin si...
Kinuha niya ako hindi.
Ang puti mo yun.
Gusto ka din.
You're a shadow.
Mga niyo, gusto ka.
Ayan, si Shanta, si Pabebe.
Isa pa. Pabebe!
At si Pabibe. Alright, Wanda fam. So, tulad sa title ng video na to, meron pa tayong
malaking announcement.
super excited ako sa announcement na to. This is something I've been working on for all year, buong 2020. Grabe ang grabe ang pawis ko sa project na to. So super excited kong ipapakita sa inyo. Sige, hali kayo. Hey guys, my name is Dwayne Woolley and we are in the process of creating the Philippines' first mythological adventure board game. Kind of like a Dungeons and Dragons but for the Philippines. So in the game you'll find Engkanto such as the Kapre, Tikbalang, and even the moon-eating dragon Bakunawa. You'll play as one of 4 ancient Filipino Bayani from Alamat such as Malakas and Maganda, or Maria Makiling, or even Lapu. Your quest as a Bayani is to venture through the enchanted forests of Samar and find the legendary city, Bilingan City. Along the way, you'll encounter some Engkanto that you have to defeat. You'll also find treasure chests and legendary chests, and the Engkanto will pick up their own Engkanto cards to give them benefits throughout the game. Pero kailangan po namin ang inyong tulong dahil sobrang mahal pala gumawa ng board game, as in. So guys, if you are a fan of fantasy or Dungeons and Dragons or anything Filipino mythology, consider donating to our Kickstarter so we can make this dream come to life. Maraming salamat po! Engkanto. Ito po ay isang board game na may Filipino theme. So buksan natin. Ayun. Oh, diba? Tingnan nyo. Oh, tingnan nyo to. Oh, zoom in siya. Can you see that? This is a kapre. Oh, diba? Kapre. You know? So, pinadesign ko siya sa Fiverr, isang freelance website. Tapos, pinaprint ko siya. Oh, apat na kapre.
Pat.
Hulaan nyo to. Ang mga waray-waray siguro, maaram ka mo kung ano ini.
Makiwa ka man.
Ano ba to?
Dinosaur joke.
Dinosaur ka dyan. This is a sigbin. Sigbin. This is a tikbalang. Tikbalang. You know, di ba? O, kabayong ulo. Macho siya. Ayun. Okay, tikbalang. Meron po tayong white lady. White lady siya. O, di ba? Bawal umihi dito. Token. Yes, may mga token na ganyan sa game. Very Filipino board game po siya. Super Pinoy ang theme. Like, makakain kayo ng balut. Pwede kayo mag-boodle fight sa game na to. Ganon. So, maraming Filipino things na pwedeng gagawin sa game na to. Eto, si Bakunawa. Bakunawa, the great moon-eating serpent dragon thing. Ganda ng design, no? Saka ang ganda ng print. Oh, baby! Gusto mo sumali? See, in the game, you can find things like this. Pansit.
Pansit. Yeah.
You can also drink stuff like this.
Tuba.
Yes, tuba.
Hidden village.
Yes. Ito yung board. Where you play on, you fight the Engkanto. Ganon. So, ganito mga Engkanto. Oh, gumagalaw sila. Ganon. O, diba? Si Lapu-Lapu, mag-away siya ng Engkanto, ganun. Ilagay ko siya sa Kickstarter. So, pwede kayo mag-pre-order. Alright, link is in the description below. Ang maganda po sa Kickstarter is kahit mag-pre-order kayo, hindi kayo i-charge. Alright? Hindi ma-charge on credit card nyo or anything like that. Unless we meet the goal, the financial goal sa Kickstarter. Ayan, ipapaliwanag ko sa laptop kung paano, okay? So kung gusto niyo mag-pre-order, ito po ang paraan. Okay guys, so if you want to pre-order the board game, click on the link sa description ng video na to. It will take you to this page. Alright, ito ang page. Now, kung gusto kayo mag-pre-order, simply scroll down. Dito po sa right-hand side, you will see support. Now, if you want to buy the board game, simply pledge $50 AUD or more. Mga 1,800 pesos ata yan. If you do that, you get the full board game and all the miniatures you get are not painted. Okay, they're just the black miniatures like you see here. Okay, so you can paint them yourself kung gusto nyo. Kung gusto kayo more ng signed limited edition, you get an extra advanced quest book. You get 5 hand-painted miniatures and also you get a special custom message from myself and Shanta. Yung pinakamahal po dito, yung the best is the limited Bayani edition where you get 43 hand-painted miniatures. As in, lahat ng miniatures nyo, kagaya nito, ay painted, may kulay na. Alright, you also get an advanced quest book, custom message from me and Shanta, and an extra board with new landmarks and new features. Okay, so yan. Pre-order kayo, it will be ready for delivery by May next year. Now, you only have how many days left? 56 days left. 56 days to do this. Kasi yung goal po natin is $35,000. Kapag umabot na ng $35,000, pwede na kami gagawa ng project na to. Pero pag hindi umabot ng $35,000 in the next 56 days, lahat ng nag-pre-order ay hindi ma-charge. Alright? Walang charge sa credit card nyo. As in, walang mangyayari. Hindi matatapos ang board game at saka hindi kayo ma-charge, alright? Ma-charge lang kayo kapag nakalampas na ang 56 days and then umabot ang goal na to sa $35,000. So ngayon, $1,201 pa lang. Ayan. So, yun guys. If you want to order, head here to this site, scroll down, piliin nyo kung anong board game ang gusto nyo. Yung basic board game, the Engkanto board game, for $50. A signed limited edition for $70. Or a limited Bayani edition for $100.
Alright guys, so that is how you pre-order the Engkanto board game. So what I love about board games is they're family oriented. So instead of sitting on your mobile phone, naglalaro kayo ng mga mobile games, diba? Parang ikaw lang isa naglalaro. It's better to be with your family playing a game. So Engkanto is a very family-oriented board game. You can sit down with your family, up to 5 players. You can all play Engkanto. You can go on an adventure with your Bayani through the Enchanted Forest to Mayon Volcano and other things. So, ayan. Check it out, guys. Pre-order nyo na. Sana maabutan po natin ang ating goal para matatapos ang board game. Alright, guys. Kita-kita sa sunod na video natin. And bye for now.
You say bye, Pabibe. Bye, Bibi Metro. Bye-bye. Walang pake.
You got me falling.